Bad air filter is killing your engine. The air filter is a car part to regularly check and change because it directly affects the engine performance. Just imagine running through Harmattan dust without your face mask. The air filter protects the engine in the same way by filtering the air that goes into the combustion chamber. It prevents small particles like dust and debris from entering the engine and causing expensive damage. Because less air gets through, the engine will work harder and consume more fuel. As your engine needs more than 10,000 liters of oxygen to burn 1 liter of petrol, it is important not to restrict this airflow. Simply replacing a clogged air filter can save you more fuel and improve acceleration. Now available, Bosch Air Filter. Call 0700 Pamtech, that is 0700 726 8324. Sharing is caring. Share this with a friend from your friends at Pamtech.